And now let's create a context group. So where do we create a context group? We do it on the context node. Right click and then you will get create context group. I already created some context groups. Let me show you one of them. Edit. So when you edit, you will get the default naming window, and then when you click next, you will get this window, which is create or edit a context group. Here, when you click on this plus button, it will create a parameter, or you can say context. When you click on plus button, it will create a variable. You can name it. And you can specify the type, what type of variable it is. It is a directory, and then you can enter the value for the directory. And then if you see, these are the contexts. So I have a default context. So if you want to create, just click on plus button. Here you can create different contexts, and when you create and when you once click OK, it will show different contexts here, and you can change the values according to the respective context. For example, if the path in dev is something /dev, then in production you might have like something like /prod, and finally in UAT you might have something like /UAT. So you will provide the values that you are going to use in different contexts, and you have an option of like clicking this. You only click this. So when you click this, what it means, whenever you use this parameter or this variable in any job, it will prompt you. When you run it, it will prompt you to enter the value. If you don't click, it will assume you are passing this value inside the job or passing it as a parameter. Then you can click finish. It will create the respective context group, and inside you can have so many variables in it.